Dozens of fires fueled by strong winds raged across southern Chile, destroying thousands of hectares of forest and farmland and damaging several homes.
The most worrying zone is here in Hualqui near the urban area, approximately 4 kilometers, 248 miles away, which is where we're now. Also rural sectors such as Chanco, Curin, and Rangel, where we have many houses and forests. Therefore, the risk is very high.
Now the regions of Nuble, Biobío, Araucania and Los Rios were affected by the fires, which started on Sunday afternoon and spread rapidly due to strong winds. Authorities have not reported deaths or injuries.
These specialized teams have been carrying out diligence since early hours, and the police of investigations are in charge of those teams, which were included last season in the provinces of Concepcion, Arauco, and Biobío, to investigate the intentionality behind the wildfires.
About 100 people had to be given temporary housing as firefighters battled 27 different blazes. The Forest Service and the National Disaster Prevention Service reported more than 4,000 hectares going up in flames. In recent years, Chile has been hit by massive fires during the southern summer, affecting both forested and urban areas. In February 2024, several fires developed simultaneously around the city of Vina del Mar, northwest of Santiago, causing 137 deaths and razing entire neighborhoods in Chile's deadliest inferno in recent history.